Shopify Compare at Price. The Compare at Price in Shopify is a powerful pricing feature that shows customers the original price of a product before a discount is applied. It allows you to display both the original and current prices side by side, helping shoppers see how much they're saving. This visual cue creates a sense of value and urgency, which can significantly increase conversion rates. When setting up your products, you simply enter a higher compared price and a lower price. Shopify automatically displays this as a sale, often highlighting the discount with a badge or crossed out price depending on your theme. It's one of the simplest ways to run promotions without needing separate sale pages or codes. Many Shopify sellers use the Compare at Price feature during sales events, product launches, or inventory clearances to attract more customers. It works seamlessly with Shopify's analytics, allowing you to track which discounts perform best and adjust your strategy to maximize revenue. This tool helps you build trust while boosting sales visually and effectively. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to smart pricing tools, discount management, and analytics that help you showcase deals and grow your online store with confidence.